It's the end of an era from MS Dhoni as a captain of CSK. In a moment that left the cricket fans nostalgic, the legendary Dhoni bid farewell to his role as a captain of the CSK, passing on the baton to Ruturaj Gaikwad. It was an emotional moment marking the end of an era and the beginning of a new chapter for the team. Dhoni's captaincy has been synonymous with calmness under pressure and his strategic brilliance. He has guided CSK to 5 IPL titles and made CSK one of the most formidable teams in the IPL. However, as every chapter must close, Dhoni recognized the need for transition and succession planning within the team. So leadership isn't forged overnight. It requires time, care, and dedicated practice. Dhoni's mentorship of Gaikwad, both on and off the field, provides him with an invaluable chance to learn and grow under his guidance. Yeah. And as Gaikwad steps into his new role, he actually does so with humility and determination, stating that he is not merely filling anyone's shoes, but carving his path as a leader. This is a testament to his authenticity and individuality of leadership, emphasizing the importance of embracing one's unique strength rather than trying to emulate others. Dhoni's decision to step down was actually not just driven by his age, but a strategic vision for his team's future. By passing the baton to Gaikwad, Dhoni ensured that CSK's legacy would continue to thrive under the fresh leadership, while providing a seamless transition for the team. There are some valuable lessons to be learned from this. The first is leadership is about grooming future leaders for team's success. Mentorship fuels growth, offering valuable insights beyond textbooks. The third learning we have is planning ensures smooth leadership transitions for lasting success. And the fourth learning we have is embrace your strengths to foster innovation and resilience in your team. I have a couple of questions for you to reflect upon. The first is, how can you help others grow as leaders for ongoing progress in both personal and professional life? How can you gracefully adapt to changes like MS Dhoni? And the third question is, what unique leadership qualities do you possess and how can you use them effectively? Now, to summarize, as CSK embarks on this new chapter with Dhoni guiding from the sidelines and Gaikwad at the helm, fans, I think, can look forward to with anticipation and hope for what lies ahead. It's just not end of an era. It's, I think, the dawn of a new era in CSK's story. Thank you and bye-bye.